Buckwheat is one of the most popular cereals in Europe, but have you ever wondered how it's made? Today, we'll take a detailed look at the journey of buckwheat, from the field to your plate. It all starts with sowing. Buckwheat is not a cereal, as many people think, but a plant from the Polygonaceae family. It is sown in well-warmed soil, usually in late May or early June, when the risk of frost has passed. This crop loves warmth and moisture but is undemanding when it comes to soil quality. It can grow even in poor soils. A few days after sowing, the first sprouts appear. Buckwheat grows quickly, and within a month, the field is covered with delicate white-pink flowers that have a pleasant honey-like aroma. By the way, buckwheat is an excellent honey plant, and bees love it. Buckwheat honey is one of the healthiest and most fragrant varieties. About 3 weeks after flowering, the grains begin to form. They ripen unevenly, so harvesting buckwheat is a delicate process. It is usually harvested with combine harvesters when most of the grains are ripe, but some remain green. The harvested buckwheat is immediately sent for primary processing. First, it is cleaned of impurities, stems, leaves, and other debris. Then, the grains go through special machines called treers, which separate unripe and damaged grains. After cleaning, the buckwheat is dried. This is a crucial step because damp grain can spoil quickly and develop mold. It is dried in special drying chambers at a controlled temperature to preserve all its beneficial properties. Once dried, the buckwheat is checked for quality again and sent for hulling. The fact is, buckwheat grains are covered with a tough, inedible husk. To remove it, the buckwheat is passed through hulling machines that gently strip away the husk without damaging the kernel. After hulling, we get the familiar green buckwheat, yes, the same one that's now being promoted as a superfood. But in stores, we usually see brown buckwheat. Why? It's simple. Green buckwheat is raw, while brown buckwheat is roasted. The roasting process is called steaming. The buckwheat is treated with steam under pressure, then dried and roasted. This extends its shelf life, gives it its characteristic taste and aroma, but slightly reduces its nutritional value. After all these stages, the buckwheat is sorted once more to remove any remaining impurities and then packaged. Modern packaging lines allow the grain to be packed in different containers, from small 500-gram bags to large sacks for the food service industry. By the way, buckwheat is often fortified with vitamins, especially if it's exported. Did you know that buckwheat is used for more than just grain? For example, buckwheat flour is used to make pancakes, fritters, and even pasta. In Japan, buckwheat flour is used to make soba noodles. Buckwheat flakes are also produced. They don't require cooking, just pour boiling water or milk over them. Now you know the long journey buckwheat takes before it reaches your table. It's truly a unique product, delicious, healthy, and easy to prepare. Love buckwheat, experiment with recipes, and may your dishes be not only tasty but also nutritious.